Okay, now this next song is, this song is so, we didn't know about this song for a long, long, long time. And actually, those were all that graduated in the class of 1936, 1937, 1939, up until just before the war of 1940 and 41, knew this song more as a kind of a song that they sang when they would get together. It was like, some just memories of the experiences. And what I'm relating to was that the islands of Jarvis, the islands of, what are those islands out there? Oh, there's Jarvis Island, and then there, Baker Island, and one more. Howland. And these were islands that were mined for various kinds of minerals in the 20s and 30s. These were islands, of course, near Palmyra in South Pacific. And then the Department of Interior of the United States wanted to somehow justify occupying these islands. And because of the heated tensions that were going on in the world at that time. This is right during the Indo-Chinese-Japanese War, and how Japan was expanding. It had already invaded China, took rule over China actually, right? And was heading south into the Philippines and making its way along the Micronesian islands and so on. America wanted to make sure that they had a place. So they tried sending their own military boys in the Navy and so on to occupy these islands and just be there. They would just have supply. They would take weather measurements and ocean measurements and so on. And it turns out that the poor boys, if you come from Iowa and you go on desert island, kind of hot. Or if you come from, say for instance, Vermont or Connecticut, and you're out there on one island surrounded by water. Or if you come from Missouri, Kansas, or Nebraska, it was hard for those boys to do that. And so they had many difficulties keeping their regiments down. So I guess the Department of Interior got the idea, so why don't we send some Polynesians who have a kind of inherited DNA already. They love that kind of life. So they contacted Kamehameha schools back in '36 and somehow got Kamehameha schools to take these boys, 16, 17, 18, to join this occupation of these islands. And there are wonderful names for those who know Abraham P. Anaya, what is George's last name? George Kahanu. Many of the names that we just we knew them when they're already in the 80s, We were going to attending university. And this experience they went through was to again watch these islands. Hawaiian boys, they just love that place. You go diving, fishing all day. We can go collect shells. Because they were so used to that. Oh man, they were terrific. It really worked out well. It was a good marriage, I guess, so to speak, by having the Hawaiian boys down there. And then they also spread to some other schools, Roosevelt, McKinley. And these boys were down there and then doing this for the United States. Now, of course, on a quiet, moonlit night, like any male, as in Pehe Ho'iau, you're gonna miss your ipo, you're gonna miss your loved one. And so they would write songs. Songs thinking about their home, songs thinking about their girlfriend. That was hard. And so this song that we're going to hear today is an outgrowth of that yearning, of that desire, of that loneliness. And so it's called Under a Jarvis Moon. The words are in English. And we asked Casa 52, Sister Skippy, She's gonna come up and she's gonna actually do this impromptu, as they say, impromptu hula to this song called Jarvis Moon.
Just makes me long for you. Each lonely night, as I sit in my shack, it brings memories of you. I am waiting for my ship to come in to take me back to you. Until that day, my heart aches and prays. Jarvis Moon makes me long for you. The moon on Jarvis Island just makes me long for you. Each lonely night, as I sit in my shack, it brings memories of you. I am waiting for my ship to come in to take me back to you. But until that day, my heart aches and prays. Jarvis Moon makes me long for you. Jarvis Moon makes me long for you.
Thank you, Miss Kipri.